What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and we've made it. It's the end of the week. It's Friday, October 30th, 2020. We are just a few days away from our presidential election. We're going to talk about that in relationship to precious metals here later in the video, but let's go ahead and jump on in and see where precious metals are at right now. Gold is steady, currently at 1883.38. Silver starting to make a little bit of a rebound, currently at 23.60, giving us a ratio of 79.81. Platinum is down slightly, but it's starting to recover some, currently at 862.92, and palladium is steady from after its losses, currently at 2239.93. In other metals markets, rhodium took a big hit yesterday, down $500, currently at $12,900. Copper steady at $304. Nickel is down significantly again. It's currently at $6.92. Aluminum steady at 81 cents. Zinc steady at $1.13. And lead is back up a penny at 81 cents. The losses on barrels of crude oil seem to have stopped momentarily. Currently, they are at 36.13 a barrel. We saw gains on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones was up 139 points, closing out the day at 26,659.11. The Nasdaq was up 180 points at 11,185.59, and the S&P 500 was up 39 points at 3310.11. The U.S. dollar index is holding steady. Currently, it is at 93.88. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, those are about where we were yesterday in our video, maybe up a little bit from yesterday's video, currently at 13,358.18. And if you happen to exchange the gold back, whether that be the Utah or the Nevadan, those are exchanging at $3.16 today. I do expect that to maybe be up a penny once that market opens, though. As I said earlier in today's video, I do want to talk about an article that comes to us from Anna Golubova from Kitco News in regards to our U.S. elections. This interview or article is titled, "Why is Gold Not Acting Like Gold? Safe Haven Quality to Kick in After U.S. Election." Gold hit a one-month low this week amid election uncertainty and renewed coronavirus fears. But the million-dollar question is, quote, "When will the metals start acting like metals?" said RJO Future Senior Commodities Broker Bob Habercorn. The precious metal tumbled to a low of $18.59 on Thursday evening and was unable to recover significantly higher at the time of this writing. Quote, "We have the coronavirus uptick, stocks are down, the dollar is up, the markets are anticipating a stimulus deal, but there's no stimulus coming between now and the election," Habercorn told Kitco News on Wednesday. If the sell-off gets worse right before the election, gold will first test $18.50 an ounce and then $18.25, Habercorn noted. We could see $18.25 if you get more announcements of shutdowns because of coronavirus. Equities could get spooked even more, which will probably in turn pull gold and silver lower ahead of the election, he said. Just 2 weeks ago, markets were almost sure of a Democratic sweep in the polls. Now the situation seems to be more muddled. Quote, "If you had asked me 2 weeks ago who was going to win, I would have told you Biden. If you'd asked me today, I'm starting to think Trump's going to pull this thing out based on some of the data that's been coming out. You could see a Trump win, which would see a significant rally in the equities that night, and then a significant rise in gold and silver along with the equities, coupled with the hope of a stimulus package coming through soon," Habercorn noted. If Biden wins, the metals, including gold, will rally even more because his stimulus package is likely to be significantly higher than Trump's, he added. After we get past the election next week, you should see a rally in precious metals should the likelihood of a stimulus deal come through be that much more. this article does go on, but I do want to go ahead and end it there. One of the key takeaways here, and we've talked about this several times here in the last couple of weeks, is if we start seeing these metal prices come down right before the election, that is a really good indicator that we're going to see a Trump victory. And that, honestly, I think that's what a lot of us here would like to see overall. Now, a Biden victory would bode well for us that are holding precious metals because the price is going to just shoot up even more. People are going to get bigger stimulus checks, and I know for me, I'm going to spend my entire stimulus check, if one ever does come, on precious metals. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. The thing with the comments are it's Free Gold Friday, so your comment has to include the word election. Just put the word election anywhere in your comment, and you will be entered in for the drawing for the Utah Goldback and the channel sticker, the precious, coveted Indy XP channel sticker. So make sure that your comment includes the word election, and you will be entered in for the random comment picker on Monday's video. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. You always know this. If you appreciate old Indy XP bullion, please hit that thumbs up button for me right there. It helps me out immensely. If you haven't been new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when the latest and greatest content comes out, you're going to want to hit that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, big monk, so you can stay notified of when new content comes out. Of course, previous content's going to be here in the box, going to pop up right here. If you want to catch up on some of that back content, go ahead and click right there at the end of this video, and you can start searching that back catalog. Guys, I've been Indy XP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.